It's a massive amount. The question is are we willing to wait? And up until about day 22, 23, you'd be feeling pretty good about that 100,000 you took up front. All this stuff beforehand, there's a very technical term for it. I just was reminded about this, I think, last week. The technical term for it is that it's boring. It is the most boring part, is the early part of trying to compound our wealth. We're starting to put some money in there, and we realize that ain't doing a whole lot. I mean, day one, you had a penny. Day 10, $5.12 on day 10 alone. But, I might have $10. So what? It's not sexy. So it's very boring at first. Now, here's the thing, and there's nothing in financial services that works this way. Even doubling every year for 30 years, it does not exist. But this is an interesting mathematical exercise to help us understand the decisions that we're sometimes considering and how we go about building our wealth. So the first one, obviously that's the penny doubling every day. The next one is what happens if we delay 1 day's worth of compounding? Whoops. It's spreadsheet here and it's over a few things here. So here I picked day 15 where it didn't double. We just kept it the same. We didn't lose, but we didn't gain anything. What happens? Well, we're only 1 day behind, which in this instance, yeah, it cost you half as much, but really you're fine. You wait another day, you've got your 10 million. It's not a big deal. But what happens when, and this happens quite often, what happens when we raid the account and we take it back down to zero? And then we start the compounding all over again. And so in this example, I took it out here in day 7, nothing. You didn't put anything else in. And then we restarted the clock for day 8. What happens?